Sa nakapin, sa nakapin. Napin ko ba lahat? Kailangan check ko lang ha. Sa nakapin, sa nakapin. Tapusin ko na lang ng 3 hours. Wala na alanganin na. Ano na, 10 minutes na lang. Tapos si Kuya Ronald. Tapos, puntahan ko naman lahat siguro bahay, no? Ah, okay, okay. No worry. Oh my God. Thank you for dropping by, all of you. Mr. Silos, thank you for making me laugh or making me happy today because, wow, sayaw, yeah. Make sayaw-sayaw sometimes because I'm fat. I want to make sexy for Silos. I will make diet. I can't make diet. Okay, 6 minutes more. Watching. Thank you for the 30 million thumbtacks. Salamat, salamat. 6 million viewers, salamat. Bibilang lang po ng oras pag i-end up pa tayo. Sayang kasi mga minuto na lang naman. Tatapos na rin. Omega, it's good for healthy. Yeah, I drink Omega. This is Omega. From, what's this? See? Yeah, I drink this. This is my I drink how many? 3 bottle already. Maybe I drink this for 6 months. See? Yeah, I drink every day. 4 capsule or 6 capsule every day. They want me to drink. Yes, one day 6 capsule. Yeah. One day 3 to 6 capsule. So I drink only 4 capsule. Not 6, only 4. This is good. And I have my for my eyes, I have this one, blueberry. Blueberry to my eyes. Vitamins. Every day I drink this one. 90 for 3 months. One pack is for 3 months. Every day 2. 2. Yeah. For my eyes. Because my eyes is not good. Yeah. Joy Den, ano tayo na once a week bibigyan kita ha. Once a week yung usapan natin doon sa ano. Next week, this week ulit. Next week, last week, di ba nag-ano tayo? Next week, one isang beses isa. So good for, wow. So good for honeymoon. Dilos, darling, may Diyos ko po, mapapalaban ako sa iyo. I have a bottle for you. My goodness. Yeah, I have my eyes vitamin and my aging vitamins from hospital, my aging vitamins, and my cholesterol medicine. I have my cholesterol medicine. I drink cholesterol medicine every day, one tablet. Yes. And eyes, and for my health, for my aging, yeah. This is only for my health only. Yeah, I drink every day. This is my medicine kit for my everyday drink. Yeah, I need a supplement for my body because I'm not young. I'm old already. 3 minutes more. So I have to take care of my body for you. Silos, or I don't know, Silos. I have to drink medicine for you. Not medicine, vitamins. Vitamins for health. Yeah, even though this is long time. How many months already? You have to drink Omega. Not Omega painkiller. This is Omega. Good for health. Good for your body. For me. Yeah, that's right. Okay, 2 minutes more. Mega love shout out sa lahat po ng mandaan. Kanina pa sa akin. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat na suporta. Tinapos ko lang po yung aking 3 hours live. Salamat po sa inyong lahat sa suporta nyo. Maraming salamat. No medicine. Yeah. Original. Yes, because wow. No medicine, huh? Thank you. That's good for you. This is supplement. It's not medicine. But I have my medicine, my cholesterol. No medicine. Still original. Oh, very good. That's good for you. May I have mine? My cholesterol. I have my cholesterol. But still powerful. Wow. That's good for you. Anak ni Joy Den Maraata, 3 hours na tayo. Okay? Silas, message me on Messenger. Thank you for coming and thank you sa pag-ayuda. Patay tayo dyan. Silas, thank you for coming. See you later. See you later, Bayi. Thank you for your support. Yeah, it's time to say goodbye. I love you. I love you all. Bye. Bye. Okay, see you later. Bye. Thank you very much. Thanks, 5 million viewers. Bye-bye. Mega love shout out to each and every. Happy Monday to each and everyone. Thank you for coming and stand by to my live stream here in Gifu City, Japan. This is Janet25 Live saying sign off. God bless you all and thank you very much. Bye.